you dread getting on the ladder to decorate your house for the holiday season? Have you possibly fallen or hired somebody off of Craigslist that never came back and took those lights down? At Stay Off the Roof, you do not have to worry about that. All your problems are solved. We are a family-owned, trustworthy company bringing holiday spirit to your neighborhood. We are 5-star rated on all social media platforms, BBB accredited, and fully licensed and insured for your protection. We provide all-inclusive, full design packages, all products top quality, full in-season maintenance and deinstallation, no storage. All those boxes, you want to free up storage space in your garage? Toss them out. Stay Off the Roof has you covered. This year, remember, don't be a goof, stay off the roof.